Zestos Garnacha is a great example of what the unknown region of Madrid can do. Garnacha is one of the most planted red grapes in Spain. It produces beautiful red berry wines full of minerality. In this icon you will find the basket. It is in honor of the traditional method of transporting grapes during the harvest to the winery. Nowadays, the best wineries keep using handheld bins, which prevent the weight of the grape bunches from crushing the clusters at the bottom of the container, preventing oxidation and preserving all its aromatic components. For this wine, we're going for a regional wine pairing since we're cooking some Patatas Bravas that are from Madrid. We basically cut all of our potatoes in this rustic way so that they remain super crispy when they go into the oven. We're gonna drizzle them with some olive oil and then to the oven they go. Now while those are in the oven, let's keep talking about our Zestos wine. Garnachas are very transparent, meaning they're able to communicate with precision the flavors of the Georgia out where they are grown. In this case, Zestos is grown in the high elevation mountains of northern Madrid. This area is full of granite and the wines always exhibit a graphite mineral core. Going back to the recipe, for the salsa brava, our friend Ana, who is a true connoisseur on Spanish gastronomy, showed us how to make her father's recipe. It involves frying in olive oil some onion and garlic, the garlic with its skin still on. And when they're tender and translucent, add some salt, pimentón de la vera, cayenne pepper, and quality vinegar. We are then gonna blend it with a little bit of water, and you have no idea how good this salsa brava is. For the second stage of the recipe, we're gonna make some homemade alioli. So traditionally, Spanish alioli would only have garlic and olive oil, but to make it easier for you, we're also gonna add some egg. So basically we're just mashing up garlic, salt, lemon, and egg yolk, drizzling little by little some olive oil. And now it's time to plate. You wanna have fun with it, just put your crispy potatoes on a plate, and it's almost like making a painting. Just add some splashes of the salsa brava and some splashes of the alioli, and you're gonna have in your hands the most delicious patatas bravas that, along with the very light flavors and the silky, velvety, and fresh texture of the Zestos Garnacha, will create a culinary feast in your house, sure to make everyone happy.